Yo, what's cracking like an SS sedan here for full color change. I already completed this whole side. This red is actually a dope ass red. It's a super gloss cherry red. I don't know, but it is pretty dope. The only thing with this car, you know, it's a little banged up. Obviously, tires are super bald over there, so you know what he does, what to do. But we're gonna wrap this whole side. We're gonna leave this front end exposed for a bit. We're gonna pull it out after we complete this whole side, probably tomorrow. Right now it's Tuesday. I already completed the whole side, like I said. This is PP. The only way to take it off is this is called a vinyl eraser. I mean, there's other methods, but this will basically burn it off. And I gotta do it outside because it's gonna make a really big mess. So I'll have to do it outside in the morning or something. The car is completely done. SS Chevy sedan completed. This took me about 3 days and a half. I should start another car. I have a Durango SRT getting dropped off Sunday. It's Friday. I finished this car yesterday, but I like recording content, and so I made the guy wait another day just because I got to record everything I need to do. And the hood was a pain as well. There was a lot of PPF on the hood that didn't want to come off. Didn't want to be my friend, so it did take a while to remove. But other than that, this shit looked sexy. So what I'm gonna do, we're gonna do a complete walk around. I did wrap over the door handles. I couldn't figure out how to remove it, but when I first started wrapping, I never took anything apart. I just wrapped over everything. So look, this schnizzle literally looks seamless. It looks like I took it off. So that's all that matters. Sometimes on G35s, Infinities, Durangos, you have to remove like the window motors and stuff like that, and windows in general. And I don't feel comfortable doing that. But other than that, looks clean. I did remove the tail lights, only these ones, left these ones on. As you can see, everything's tucked in well, deep in there. I did wrap all the way inside here. Door's locked, let me open it. Unlocked it, as you can see. I just wrapped it all the way in there. This car was a little beat up. It did have many rock chips. Bumper is sticking out right here, but everything else is clean. As you can see, door handles wrapped over professionally. Boom, nothing should lift. If it does, we take care of it, but it shouldn't. I did make a video, which I'm gonna upload first before uploading this video, on how to wrap over a door handle, because I feel like a lot of people want to start wrapping and don't know how to wrap over a door handle or mirrors, whatever the case may be. But yeah, there was no inlays on this bumper. I didn't take anything off. The reason why I didn't take anything off this car particularly is because this is kind of loose. I didn't want to pop off the grill and not be able to put it back. Usually if something is messed up, I just don't put my hands on it, because they'd be like, hey, you broke my shit, and I'd be like, shut up, I'll kiss you. I mean, what? Yeah, other than that, this shit came out clean. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go take this to the sun. This is the second location, like I said. I don't think I said that, but we're gonna take it to a second location so you guys can see it in the sunlight. That's how it looks in the sun. It looks so wet. If I was a girl, I'd be wet right now, not gonna lie. But here it is, all done. Like I said, it only took me about 3 days. I'm about to record a couple videos. I'm gonna try to make some goofy videos on this, but other than that, it looks insane.